Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. How's everyone in YouTube land doing? Oh, I hope well. I hope well. Okay, so still haven't got my camera fixed, and that is not cool. I do not like that at all. I'm like really nervous. I'm like, is this gonna turn out okay, like in focus, or is it not? I don't know. And I'm gonna have to stop filming. My life is just crazy. I'm doing what I do sometimes, and my armpits are sore. And I don't know why. But anyway, why are we really here other than my armpits and me just babbling? We're gonna talk about the Boxycharm, but not just any Boxycharm. Boxyluxe. Ooh, what do you guys think? I am not impressed. I'm just gonna say it right off the bat. I'm not impressed. And I'm not happy about it because, okay, for one, I'm obsessed with Boxycharm. I have always loved it. I mean, like, it's literally $20 and you get a ton of products. So if you get one good product a month in your box, it's essentially paying for itself because it's probably worth way more than $20 anyway. So I don't understand how people don't like Boxycharm. I really don't. Even Ipsy, I canceled my Ipsy, but like that's even a good deal. Boxycharm is unreal, an amazing deal. I guess maybe I got a little bit spoiled and I got used to how awesome the boxes are. And then I saw the Boxyluxe for back in September. So that was like, ooh, amazing. And then I get December's and I'm like, I mean, let me look up how much it actually cost me. That's something I want to know. But I guess I was just expecting something more awesome than what I received because their stuff is usually so awesome. Not that it's not nice, but just for me, there's no like wow factor product in my box. Maybe the Violet Voss palette, we're going to take a look. But other than that, I'm like, I could really pass on all of these. They added another, okay. So they charge the normal monthly box fee after taxes of like $22.26, and then I had another fee for the Boxyluxe of $30.73 added. So essentially, like I want to say I paid like $54, $54, so that's not bad. Definitely a ton of product in here. It's called 'Tis the Season Boxyluxe. All the products are listed here. As usual, and then some coupons on the back. But listen, let's just take a little peek inside and you will soon see what I mean. I'm not even gonna list off the things how I normally do because that's like boring, right? Let's start with the brush set. This is a $65 brush set, and this is nice. The Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set by Luxie. This is definitely nice. Do I need new brushes? No. And like the other thing about this is, I feel like they always are giving you Luxie brushes. Like I feel like I probably already have these brushes. I'm trying to like look around. Or wait. They totally sent this during this past year, and then they sent some eye ones too, and it's like it's literally the same thing pretty much. So it's like, I mean, they're different ones, I don't know, but I'm just like, oh, another brush set. That's how I see it. Once you have a lot of brushes, like you can only have so many. Like makeup sponges are different, go through those all the time. Brush sets, I don't know. Guys, what do you think? I might leave this in the box and use this as a giveaway. You get a round top blender, a tapered highlighting brush, a pro precision brush, a tapered blending brush, an eye shading brush, a flat definer, a brown lash spoolie, and a lip brush. Where is the lip brush? Dude, mine doesn't even have oh, it's like a little, I don't know about this. Honest to God, I don't know. We'll see what I do with that. Then next is the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. $20. I saw this floating around in the bottom of my box. Here it is. Insta Famous. Ooh, what a fun name. I do like these Tarteist lip paints. Does this sound? I'm not gonna use it because I might give this away. Ooh, now that smells good. I might not give this away, we'll see. This is a pretty lip gloss, but yet again, to me, it's like, it's a lip gloss. Like, I don't know, it's not something that excites me. This might be a quick video. Oh, no, here's what I wanna go over. The Violet Voss Pro HG palette, $45. I saw this hiding at the bottom of my Boxy. I honest to God don't even know what this is gonna look like. Violet Voss Cosmetics is proud to present 20 highly pigmented eyeshadows in a variety of must-have finishes. Okay. So let's dig on into this. Who knows? I could even give this away. I don't know. Let's see what it looks like. And if I already have a lot of the colors. If I could get it out of the box. Is that, I'm not even gonna use the products. That's how I feel about this box. I feel like I can't even put a look together. Like, I don't know. I feel so weird about this box. What is wrong with me about it? This is a pretty palette. Yeah, and you know what? I don't have any Violet Voss palettes. So I'm probably gonna keep this. Do you guys care if I keep it? I want to keep it. Let's swatch some of the shimmers. So jelly. These are pretty. On fleek. Ooh, girl, I am barely touching. I have never used a Violet Voss palette, so I'm super excited for this. Oh, we're gonna use this. Okay, I'm happy. I'm getting a little bit happier. Okay, this is the one that got me here. Sponge Life Body Wash Infused Buffer, $20. Spongella's Body Wash Infused Buffers will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. This multi-use buffer is dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. It smells good. Josh is literally gonna come home from work dirty as could be on a roof all day and literally try to use this sponge if I don't keep it hidden. So he's not getting his hands on this. He'll literally demolish it in like in 1 minute. And I wish that was an exaggeration. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm weird about body wash and body products. So like, this smells really good, but it's extremely strong. Like, I can smell it through the box, and I don't always like that for like a body wash in the shower. Like, even my lotions, like I love the Bum Bum Cream, but other than that, I'm not a scented lotion person. Like, I tend to choose milder products. Like, for my makeup and stuff, it's different, but for my actual like body products, body washes, I choose very mild. So this is not, I'm not like, oh my god, so excited about this. You know what I'm saying. Okay, and this is another one, the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is a $90 product, $89. We're just going over the products. There's too much here to like do you know what I'm saying? It's not like a tutorial type video. If you want to see the eyeshadow palette in a tutorial, I could do that, but that will be a separate video because there's just too much to go over and then the video gets too lengthy. So we have the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, $89, clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba. Oh, everyone used to talk about that for weight loss, right? Rose and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. This ultimate anti-aging cream will leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. Use after toning. Okay, so this is like, I mean, I'm excited about it, but yet again, as I said, with my skincare, I can be a little iffy. So I would have maybe preferred makeup as opposed to a $90 skincare product. And it's from a company I never heard. I mean, it's probably just because I'm behind on the times, but it's like, I don't know. I really just don't know how I feel about this one. And I got a bone to pick about another thing in here. We'll talk. Okay guys, let's try this again. It seems every time I film, something goes wrong with my camera. It's just like inevitable. And now I hear Sean, he's probably gonna come down and interrupt, but that's okay. I'm really frustrated with my camera. That's another story. Let's just keep pushing on. Let's just move through this video. For the 100th time, I shall film this. So, next up on the agenda, we have this Grande, here I am, this Grande mascara, or Grand Cosmetics Grande mascara, $25. It's a lash-loving blend of peptides, panthenol, and natural waxes. Buildable, water-resistant formula. Now this is something I would really like to try, but unfortunately with my lash extensions, I really can't. Why did I smell it? Don't know. I'm a mascara junkie though, so this might go into a giveaway for somebody who is lucky. And next we have the Wander Beauty. I don't know why I keep going out of order with these. Dawn to Dusk. Wait. Dusk to Dawn. Blush and Highlight Palette. $26. This is something that I am not like thrilled about. To me, this just really isn't worth $26. You get 2 blushes and a highlight in here. I mean, it's pretty, but like I said, it got cut off, so I guess I didn't say it. I feel like BoxyCharm sometimes like overdoes it with certain brands. Maybe those are the brands that always want to participate. Go, Shania. There goes my son. It's just something that I feel like they really like overdo it with certain brands, and then we always get like the same type of thing. Like, these don't do it for me. They just don't excite me. My personal opinion, I would have rather had something other than this. Next is the PYT, and I know they gave an option of this or something else. I chose this. I can't even remember what the other option was, if someone could refresh my memory. This is a $75 mini hair straightener. It says it's a girl's world. The packaging is super cute and sleek. A mini ceramic hair straightener with half 0.5-inch plates. So it's for like getting baby hairs. It's for on the go. It's for like touch-ups, it says. Personally, I mean, okay, so it's like super cute and I'm like super in love with it. Will I ever use this? I guess we'll see how it works. It's a little small for me. I do need a new hair straightener. That's why I chose this, and I was super excited, and then I saw the size and I was like, ooh, the size does matter. I mean, that's up for debate, I guess, huh? moving on. Last but not least, we have Crimes of Beauty wristlet plus portable charger, $22. Now this is something that I'm not sure about. At first I thought it was just a wristlet. I thought there was no portable charger. So I'm like, oh, I got a wristlet that says Glam AF, just what I need because I'll totes use this. And then it has this little portable charger in it, which like, that's cool. I feel like portable chargers though are the kind of things that I'm like, oh, that's really cool, blah, 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 but I will never use. I'll still like charge my phone the same way, or it will stay dead the same way, or I'll use my car charger. This probably will never use. That was what, 22. So I'm like, that, like a couple things in here, like I totally could have done without. Just my opinion. I don't hate the box. Did I love it? No. And I want your opinions down below. What do you guys think? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to really go over the box, you know, because I wasn't going to, and then I was like, you know what, I kind of want to, and I want to know what everyone else thinks of this box, because it just wasn't like a wow factor box for me. Like when I saw September's, I was like, oh, I want that. And then I'm worried. It's like, was that just because it was the first one? Are they going to move more into this? Like, I don't know, because I don't think I'm going to spend $50 for this, because like, yes, it is so amazing, but I have a lot of beauty products now. So like, if I'm getting a box like this, I want awesome beauty products. I don't want like a dinky, like, that's mean. All right, I'm gonna stop now. But anyway, don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is linked below. That's where I have my James Charles giveaway going on right now for the palette. That's where I put my makeup looks. I also will have linked below, I made a new Instagram, which is more of my everyday business Instagram. If you can hear my washer, I just want to die right now. It's more of my everyday business Instagram, where I'm going to post like my makeup looks that I do on people, my lashes, stuff like that. So yeah, check those out down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for beauty